Okay, so we are going home. We get discharged, so we're going home. This cycle is the first section. Home in quotation. Yeah. First section is over, and we need to come back in 8 days.
And I feel woozy.
And you feel woozy,
Yeah.
but just to feel good again.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm
Sad
going.
part is I'll be balding again.
You'll be balding soon.
My hair start grow back.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
They grow back?
Grow back.
But bald is coming back.
Yeah.
But bald fit you, you're cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let me call the car and let's head out. Ladies and gentlemen, I am heading to the market. So it's about 8:15 and I am going to the market. I need to get some stuff. I normally just buy supplies from the fruits man just right up the road from my building, but I want some lentil and chickpea, so as a result I want to go out to get some stuff so I can cook. So yeah, let's see what the market has to hold. Waiting on the elevator, but I'll take a stairs, but I'm already a sweat. So let's see what the market has to hold. Never been terrified. Took a tuk-tuk right outside the gate or the door. Okay, go ahead. Right outside the door of my apartment. I'm in the tuk-tuk now, and these drive very fast. Okay, let me get my mask on. Just so you know, traffic here is crazy. It's like downtown everywhere you go. Oh my god. So the market that I'm going to, the name is Shandapura Market, and it is supposed to be their big market, as they call it. So yeah, that's where we are heading now. So this is another side of Bambasandra that I've never actually seen, because I've never actually driven this side before. Change of plans. I came to the supermarket instead. There's a supermarket that has everything, so I'm just gonna go to the supermarket instead. It is too long a drive and I don't want to leave Veggie for an extended period of time, so supermarket it is. Now if I could only find a trolley. This is beautiful though. I love it. Okay, so this is the frozen food section, guys. I'm seeing chicken tenders, sausages, fish fillet. Yeah. Chicken McNuggets. The little Chinese dumpling, but it's the vegetable one, of course. You know, the majority of India is actually vegetarian. And then you have the peas and frozen vegetable. Ice cream, of course. And cookware. Okay guys, so this, look what I found. Yeah, and wait, and then this, no preservative, raw, made fresh. This is really good, trust me. I feel like I'm gonna get a couple of them. And they have beetroot and all the other flavors, and then they have like puree stuff, right? And these are all the flavors. Panganat, of course, because there's a lot of panganat here. and mangoes. Yeah, neat, don't it? Um, fish, sliced fish.
Sliced fish.
Yes. Only that time.
The thing is wedding.
Only this ready.
Wedding. Fish. Come.
Oh, okay. How much for this?
It is 70.
370. Oh, yeah, that's enough. That's enough. How much is that?
800 gram. 800 gram.
800 gram. Oh, you mean 2 kilo?
2 kilo. 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
2 kilo.
Then look for looks. Look for looks at the people at the store. How you mean looks? Yeah. I have no idea what this is. What is this?
Controller.
Pantala? What is it used for? It's a fruit?
Vegetable.
Huh?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Okay. No idea what that is. Thank you. Oh. That's what I want. Okay, thank you. Alright, so this is the top floor. As you can see, all equipment housing. Wow. Yeah, it's like mini chunk fat. Real nice, right? Not bad at all. So they basically have everything that you need. Basically. Oh, this is so neat. Yeah. I know I don't feel like walking out today. I'm really exhausted already. And I gotta get back to my child. But yeah. The people in the store are going. It is a vibe. And you know, through my back, people watch me everywhere I go. I get used to it. I would just say just like Jamaica, don't it? Because even in my own country, when you go certain places, Chinaman them watch you. Okay, I guess that is it. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. This is cream out my name. It's ball out my name. Oh wow, this is like so cute. If you know me, you know I love tea. I love tea, so this is like a perfect little set. I love it, really cute. All right, back to regular scheduled programming. No, I'm not going to do so. That's sheets, fabrics and stuff. Going back downstairs. Came for the knife. Heading back down. Wonder if it's sharp though. Pray God it's sharp. Alright. Yeah. Back down the step. Okay, let me go check out. Oh, there's another floor. I'm gonna have to come back for that. Honestly though. Okay guys, so I am back at my apartment Unfortunately, my receipt wet and tear, but this is what I got for 20 US dollars, right? So everything is 20 US dollars in total. 25, come and count the rice and the oil that I got separately. So 25. So oil,
That's 3,875 Jamaican.
yeah, approximately 4,000 Jamaican dollars. Rice, I unfortunately cannot tell you the price individually because as I said, my receipt get wet and tear. I got this larger detergent, Comfort Touch, because nice big buckle too, because me I go wash later and I'm out of most of my stuff. And then I got 3 Gatorade. I wish I could tell you what is the price individually. Alright, so the Gatorade is for 40 rupees. Yeah, 40 rupees for the Gatorade. I got this Tropicana lychee drink. So Tropicana lychee. And I also got a gum. Because sometimes I just need a gum, okay? And then I got this foot scrub thing. Not a need, but something that I want. Because I can't rub off my dry foot them while I sit down here and look through the window at daytime. I also got some coconut milk. When I see the coconut milk, I'm like, I don't know when I come back up here, so I'm going to get some, even though I have my coconut milk when I carry from home. But I got some coconut milk. I got 3 of these. Again, I can't tell you how much I coconut. 20. It is 20 rupees for the 3. So 3 coconut milk. It is just dehydrated like the one we would have buy from Grace. So it is the 3 coconut milk. And I got a knife. Yes, 1 knife. And this is okra and carrot in another bag here. Because as I tell you now, I cook fish today, okay?
Don't cook it okra with it.
Definitely I cook it okra with you. You can't okra without fish. What is wrong with you? What are you this again? Oh my God, something like sweet potato. But come, I don't know a sweet potato cousin them here, but sweet potato cousin, but I got sweet potato, okay? And it is the white belly sweet potato. Not my favorite. I love the yellow belly, but I can't get the one I want. And then I find my Neutrogena thing what I normally use. So I got one of these too. And my Neutrogena thing is for 10 rupees. Because skincare no matter over here. So I got this new this is like $2 US or $1. So I got this. And then I got some plantain. Because why not? So I got some plantain also, and this is for 8 rupees. Then I got some oats, yeah, because none nice like nice soaked oats and you eat it at night time, don't it, Roger? Nice and slimy. I love oats. So I got this pack of rolled oats. Yeah, and it's the jumbo rolled oats, so should be good. No sugar added, no preservative, of course. And then this is the fish. This packet in this container. It's a taco sealable container, but this is the fish. And I got butter. I got a pack of butter because I cook rice. You can't cook rice without butter. So I got a little packet of butter. I was looking for milk, what I couldn't find none. So I just call it a day. And then I got this container, this wash pan, bath pan, because I sick and tired if I wash my clothes them in the sink and a plastic bag. So I got this wash pan. Might as well, right? So that is all I got. It was so crazy, fun, excited, traumatic, everything at the same time, yeah. So much stairs, so much let me touch your hair, so much where are you from. It was a good experience though. It was a good experience. Definitely going back to the big market because I think there's a lot of things right there. I think the most expensive thing was getting there. The transportation was so expensive. I paid 300 rupees from my apartment building to the big market, and it is not that far. It's like 5 minutes away, but again, transportation is so expensive here, so that is the reason for that. But all in all, it was a good day. As I said, this is what $4,000 got me. It not bad, not bad. 2 pound of fish and them something here. It not bad, it not bad at all. Yeah.
Your fare was $500. Just basically round up on a $600 fare.
$300 in total.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. Oh, $300 Jamaican dollar, yeah, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I just write out the so. That I like me a drive go a town. That a bus fare for go a town. And the drive is from our house to go all over. Which would be $100 a Jamaica.
Jamaicans is price of taxi also.
Yeah, so it's so expensive. But again, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and continue praying for our star boy over here. Yeah, he's doing really wonderful. He's doing great. Until we see y'all again. Bye. Final product, guys. Final cut. This is what our lunch / dinner shall look like. You know, we're only cooking 1 meal per day. Okay? Yay. Comment down below if you don't want some, or if you look yummy. We don't have all the necessary ingredients, but still think it look fire. Where's Raj?
Hungry.
All right, let's go.